Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and here we are in 2000 Chevy Tracker. Yes, I have this on the road with the kindness of my brother-in-law, who licensed it. It is in his name. I'm going to drive it for the winter, and hopefully it'll last me through the winter. It's in very good shape. Engine is in excellent shape. Transmission's excellent. Running gear, everything underneath, excellent. Body, we're going to say rocker panels poor, body fair. We're going to go with that. But in all, this thing runs like a top, I have to say. Well, one thing I've been wanting to do in it is change the cabin air filter, which is underneath, underneath the glove box. So here's the cabin air filter I'll be using. It's TYC cabin air filter. There is the number. And wow. Well, let's get a look at this so we know what we're looking at here. And, pull this out of here. Here we go. So that's cabin air filter. I've had this for a couple of years now. Waiting to put it in, but haven't got her ready enough to drive until now. So gotta thank that though, brother-in-law, Looney Farm guy. Check out his videos. Yeah, he's going to be playing some cool racing games soon, but he also does farming simulator videos. They're pretty entertaining. He's pretty entertaining. Check him out. But first, we got to get out this glove box here, I believe. And yeah, I'm going to need a light. That is definitely what I'm going to need. As you might be able to see, that screw back there. So I'm going to try to get in there and get it. I think there's only one on each side. So yeah, you probably don't have to see that. There's another one over here. Hopefully, that will be enough to get this glove compartment out. Oh, there we go. We got the glove box cover out. Well, now I got to get up and under here. And I can see what I'm doing with the camera here. Nope, I can't. I am going to have to get up and under there and take a look. Where is it in here? Oh, there's the box. Okay, I'm going to have to get on the ground. Great. So I don't know if the brother-in-law ever changed this, or if he even knew there was one here. I'm guessing it's this right here that I got to pull out. So that's definitely what I'm going to have to do. So all I did was lift on this here. Goes like this. I just lifted up on it and it popped right off. So what do we have here? Ooh. That doesn't feel like it's coming out too easy. Well, let me see. I only have my hands to hold my camera today. I gotta figure out how this thing comes out. Okay, it was actually kind of simple. I just had to pull from the top. And it kind of... Oh, she's full. Yeah, that's probably why she's not blowing too well. Okay, get her out this way. Oh, I'm gonna need the vacuum, I see. This ain't good. There's two of them in here. So, I think I'm supposed to put this one up. Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, yucky. We have debris in there. Yeah. Is that a nest? Is that a mouse nest in there? I don't know. I'll get the vacuum and suck her out. Knew this was going to happen. So there is a way to put these in. There's an airflow indicator on here. Airflow, arrow. Yep, that's the way I'm going. So, oh, by the way, there was no mouse nest in there. It was just a bunch of crap. So that kind of made it better. I mean, there's nothing really in there that's I gotta do is get these in correctly. Though, feels really sorry about that. Well, I'm guessing there's a sponge on the bottom there. So, great. Here we go with this one. I'll get it. I'll get it. Oh, maybe I'll get it. Okay, I slid those back in there. That wasn't a problem. I should have better airflow now. I wasn't getting hardly any air, even on high, through the vents. So this is definitely going to help. All I got to do is put on the cover here, and hopefully I can take care of that with little problems. And there we go. She's not on. Okay, it's gonna take two hands. All right, that is all back together. I'm so glad. Ooh, I hate being crunched over. Let's go take a look at those other filters. And there we are, these dirty, terrible filters. They probably weren't seeing much come through them anymore. They look pretty, just go. Yeah, they're pretty clogged up. Well, could have probably just blown them out and, reused them. No. These filters are so cheap. Why do that? But there we go. Now I'm going to go check, see if a good air will flow through there. Hopefully it will. Well, I got her on. I haven't turned her on yet. Dust. Of course there's going to be dust at the beginning. Oh, but she's flowing well. Well, she's going to be dusty in here for a spell. But it is flowing quite well now. It is flowing really well. Maybe a little too well. Yeah, she's flying out of there. Well, there we go. Hope you enjoyed this. I probably say I didn't enjoy putting them in, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. And I think one of these days, I think I'm going to have to clean the whole box out down there. Take that apart and clean her out. It seems to be full of a lot of leaves and other things. But honestly, I didn't feel a mouse nest in there. I put my hand in. I was able to reach it in pretty good. And I didn't feel too many things in there. Just a bunch of dirt and leaves and things on the bottom. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.